For many years I was struggling with abstract paintings. It accumulated in a disaster that went like this. I was painting on an abstract painting and it was getting very good, almost finished. I just had to fix a couple of things, and because of my attempt to fix it, I disturbed the balance in the picture. I had arrived at that balance probably with intuition more than my imagination or my ability to control. So as I was trying to fix it, control it, I messed it up instead. So because the balance was destroyed, I had to find the balance again, and I just went on painting. And a lot later, the whole painting was totally a different one. And it was, for the second time, very good. But I had this urge to just fix small things. And of course, I managed to destroy the painting again. And so it went on. The third time, the fourth time, and the fifth time. And when I had arrived at a painting I liked for the fifth time and then destroyed it, I just gave up. This was truly a moment in my life where I realized that what was happening when I painted abstract paintings was that I never could arrive at a form because the form was always changing. It's like talking and using words and changing the meaning of the words all the time, so that what you're saying becomes a mess. Abstract means formless. The mind of God is formless. And the mind of man is also formless because the mind of man is the same as the mind of God, because the mind of God created the mind of man. But the universe is not formless. So I took small pieces of paper and charcoal and I started drawing small figures like these two figures, a crocodile and a rat. And then I took a projector and I projected the line on two canvases. And this is the painting of the crocodile. And this is the painting of the rat. And because the rat has a form, a shape, and the crocodile too, I ended up with a shape that I could not disturb or change. So for the first time I realized that the problem with abstract paintings, the way I did it, was that I never was able to arrive at a form because the form was always changing. But in these two cases, the form could not change much because I had already decided what the form in the end was going to be like. The crocodile and the rat. So these two paintings are the first two paintings I did that I was satisfied with after the abstract painting that I destroyed 5 times. So when I did these two paintings, this was my conclusion and my solution to the problem with abstract art, that you just can't make abstract art. If you write music on a piano, the piano is not abstract. It's not formless. The notes on the piano are created, and there are rules. If you paint, there is no rules. You can easily break all the rules. So you have to make a rule to prevent your painting from being formless and always changing.